Welcome to Owayne Allen Media. So dancehall artist Jamal just dropped his new song 999. You see me? And right now Jamal used my voice in his song, so you can say Jamal featuring Owayne Allen Media. You see me? So big up Jamal, you know what I mean, for the shout out and everything. This is a big move for a vlogger, you know what I mean? A vlogger like me who do the thing. You see me? So right now me have Cmr Entertainment on the line, and both away, you know what I mean, I go give a first reaction to the song, you know what I mean, Jamal using my voice in his song Jamal 999 with Owayne Allen Media. Dancehall artist Jamal was taken into police. So as the video start off, him use my voice, and I mean, because I did report on Jamal when he was taken into police custody and stuff like that, and Jamal used that part of of my video, and the intro is basically, I say like when an artist just fresh from prison, you know what I mean, and them have this whole news business, everybody will talk about him on the news, and it's giving that type of vibe, you know what I mean, even though it was not for long, but him still come out and him still I give the music, I give, drop a song like this, I say, yo, fresh from jail or whatever the case is. You see me? So that's the vibe it's giving right now. What do you think, CM Flame?
Yeah, I agree with 100% because I'm much a reason why I use your particular video, because everybody did kind of do a video on it, including even me. I think that me I like the first person who put it up on YouTube. So if you use your video, that means that them really see what go on. I say, say, out of everybody, I don't want you really, I love the intro.
Yeah.
Love all intro film on, you see me?
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, and so far the music video clean and everything. This is Jamal lane. The lane where Jamal in right now.
Yeah, man.
A theme lane.
This is Jamal lane, for real talk that, you see me? So we check out some more of the song. So the dog kick off the song and the dog say, yo, tell poverty R.I.P. One time we did broke and we don't have nothing, but now we're rich. You see me? We're rich and it's blinding because you can't see it. You know what I mean? Jewelry, car, everything we have, you know what I mean? So poverty and them go one side. You see me? Poverty go one side, man. A rich argument we are dealing with. Rich conversation, rich everything.
Yeah, man, I make say a rich ypree. So I'm too done to show I that I'm rich as a talk fame. I'm rich as I face can bring him anywhere I want.
Hey,
right now.
Right, true.
And I'm done, You see me, man, you can know say I'm done, so real. So, then I know about that talk.
No. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Soon double that the one by wire. It forever and done like that. Where you know about max out credit card.
Rich and dunks like but the artists are making noise right now. The money when we make and everything, him soon start, him gonna spend that pan a yacht. So when you not see him in the sky or see him on the ground, him out in the sea. You see me? Pan a yacht. Well rich, a yacht, a couple million well. If you go buy it in a Jamaican dollars, hundreds of million. US, a couple million, same way. You see me? And rich out. Yeah, man. What you know about that?
That is it. Jamal, with this Duns thing, the people accept the Duns thing from Jamal. You see me? Being that he is the founder. You see me? And him actually make you believe same Duns. So the Duns convincing, that's why you hear all of Jamal song them, him keep on remind you say Duns, same Duns. And the people them actually look forward. Cause what is a Jamal song without him saying Duns?
Yeah. That a code, man.
Pay that back. Skull on the line, we ready for pay tax. Canadian goods and food at Ajax and a 5.2. But now run among she favor. Go for money anywhere, some country era. And alone Benjamin bust down with Shira. 2 phone call like a dial and a stop. Soon by Benz, me dog, me not get.
Basically, dog, I make you know about the whole Duns operation. Oh, them go to work. You see over Canada. Now them time of year, I'm gonna make you know. So watch you know. Him turn him skull in a runner. So him still a chop the skull, you know, but the skull also is a runner, you see me? The skull do whatever him say, the skull do whatever him want. The man make you know see a millions are pulled down, millions. Anyway, them go for the Benjamin. All in a some country area. Far out area. You see me?
Talk truth, no, man.
You know, so them, the man them don't spend share. I look at that video and I see the Benjamins, the man them are showing. What them not showing a share?
A true, man. A true, man.
Yeah, man. Are you the one that was showing you?
A true, man.
Right now.
Yes, Jamal basically just expound on the Duns operation. You see me? Yeah. And make you see it. You can see how them go to work. The ins and the outs. You see me? Yeah, man. Him explain. Him just explain. Expound all of that to you. So you can understand. So when you...
him turn up the scheme with just one chop.
Yeah.
From Charles Scholar for answer. I remember the man I done and make you know. So watch out. The dial run. 2 phone on the dial. So work. So all out the chopper we are running on this lifestyle and the bad for work, put in the work. We're not going to pull on millions.
No, we're not going to do it. Moving on.
Crisp and teeth and Rolex and watch. Chill one steel but stone and some black house. Designer slide with teeth and some stock. Me live on the line la vida loca. And when me say game a fraud no poker. Tell poverty R.I.P.
When Jamal say game, and a poker him a play, him in a casino. You see me? A straight fraudulent. Straight fraudulence, you see me? So, you know what I mean? He might wash money, he might clean money, and, you know, and he must chop.
And one thing now,
fully.
Jamal one of them artists, where you see him take high importance in an image.
Facts.
Them man they are ever clean. And you man tell us watching a brace panty kind of video you can see him debut the Ballon d'Or brace pan him teeth, which are the biggest hit song, you see me?
Yeah.
Man I making a big chain, you see me, for neck, you see me, have a clean.
See him someone.
Big chopper, cause you have to look like money, you know. Cause them by the man are making noise of them rich for real.
Yeah.
So that's the man basically are making noise. So watch you know. Yeah, man, we're up in a real life, man.
And Lord.
And Lord.
Remember we got cash fully. Yes, so VCT when time we pull up on the car wash. With forever and Duns like what? Fresh Monday we pull a million and for your wake up.
Before we go another verse here. Rich forever and with dunks like but. So Jamal basically I make you know say yo, somehow him classify himself as a dunksman. You know what I mean? Him portray himself as a dunksman, but at the same time, a dunksman I make more money than you who do some work where you will take intelligence. So make that make sense.
I take subject and qualification.
We take a criteria where you have to meet. You know what I mean? And it's not easy criteria because it take intellect and it take academics. You see me? So when you see him rich out more than you as a dunksman, rich forever as a dunksman, and you as a bright boy not have nothing, then you really have to evaluate what intelligence is and what intelligence mean. You see me? Is intelligence going to school and learning everything that you should learn and remember and can and read, but at the same time, a dunksman who did not excel well in school like she and the old lady did and make more money and can be able to think about what everyone should be doing, which is making money, and him doing it and him making more money. So you know what I mean? So you have to really pray that Dunks rich forever as a Dunks man. That is a very deep line when just used a while ago. You see me?
And an example of that richness as a Dunks man so watching him pull up on the car wash and a BSOP NCFT. So early in the morning him pull up. And him not have time for no minty or minty too poor. Yes, me? NCVSOP for him tea.
Yeah.
Yes, me? So you know, say I go to some steak or lobster for him breakfast where egg I go.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, me? So you know what I mean? So you want to be a dance man.
Big food job, don't you smell it a cook? Me see where this a do. Fat pussy girl, I say she walk up at a book. Me say don't, she say fully, so she show me the tattoo. Some cappers say them chat, me wonder what them a chop up. Online I in a mail me.
Bobo. Bobo.
Yo, like, just change out our next gear in the dance
It dog, exactly dog, change out the next gear.
If jewelry them and food that it a cook up, you smell what go on, the man say is a car moment this to the parking lot.
Let Jamal cook. Let Jamal cook. You hear that? Let Jamal cook.
The dog say, him see where this a do.
Yeah.
Whatever him say, him see where it a do, him supposed to know where it be. But judging from my understanding of get so far, when so much big bees out there to park up now, him see where it a do, him see the look where it a get.
Right.
Him see the
him see
where it a bring out.
right.
Him see the attention we are forward from. Him see all the motivation too.
Mm-hmm.
We are forward from this to car. If you can there so and y'all have 3 bees out there, say your dog will pull up 2 more and that next dog pull up 3 more and the next dog. I remember you know, the man no left out the girl them, you know, so I don't want nobody I hear this and things. So watching I just be a man, the man say he see the chick and the chick bad like she woke up at a book.
I see your mama thick up and clean in a video.
Alright. I've approved it. She show the dog the tattoos are a serious thing. The dance movement I get clear.
And nobody feel like say the dance movement and nobody feel like say what Jamal do is easy. Nothing is easy. Easy is a state of mind. Because what Jamal want to make you know say what him do is arduous. Right? That mean requiring a lot of strength. So it's hard to do. You know what I mean? And him do it anyway and him accomplish it because and at the end of the day him see where the arduous I do. You see me? Him see what the hard work I do. You know what I mean? So, alright, they said them and the dog I say, yo, where them me see them a chop up. Me see them a chop, where them a chop up. What a play upon word, what a metaphor, simile, personification, 1 whole person in a one.
Where them a chop up?
Where them a chop up? Them say them a chop, where them really a chop up? They not chop up nothing, them not chop. You know what I mean? Are we a chop and it's evident. You see me? Yeah, man.
Me have the food, them a stack up the money line and in a jail, me chop a food in a lock up. Them chopper ya nah no name, me tell you no feel look how. Who you think I get the blame when you turn out to be a tough? Me and you is not the same, me nah no shame, no give a fuck. Me say no give up, don't tell me say me can't. Me have to reach and it's a must.
All in a jail, Jamal say him a chop. All in a jail, the artist a chop. And here we go on. When you no come out to nothing, who you go blame? Him say don't give up. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, him say dunks and fully dunks and dunks man, but at the end of the day, him motivated, him disciplined, him have determination, and determination I'm title. Just like where VybzKartel say, you see me, at that him a make you know in the music video, this is not a facade or a charade, this is a real life, you see me? This is not a make believe, him a do it.
Yeah, man, a real life saga, this man, the man I make you know, sir. I basically show the man I show you how him stay true to him grind and him discipline and him craft. You see me? Because I remember chopping the dog at that point. So when if you put the dog in the most extreme conditions, them such as Jamaican jail, him are gonna find the means and way to still pull on millions
Yeah, man.
Off our line. And as you know, as what we said earlier, Jamal, they get locked down for like couple days. So a couple days in my top boy, you know, him recently just jump out and I tear down the airwaves and I do crazy amount of shows.
Yeah.
I drop songs and everything. So the man I make it know say even throughout that short stint, him still find a way to pull on millions.
Yeah, man.
So him a do what him have to do. So
and you can watch him as a dunks and you sit down. You can't blame him because him is an embodiment. Him embody and solidify what it's supposed to be and its success. You see me? He must show you say him is successful in what he's doing. So how can you blame a successful man? You get me? I say you no come out and not blame a next man, so to speak, influence, but that man is successful. So who you have to blame with all of your credentials? You see me? Yeah, man. Song bad man. Yeah, man, so that was the video, you know what I mean? Jamal 999, you see me? And Jamal 999 featuring Owayne Media, you see me? Yeah, man. And also Same Flame Entertainment, you know? Video a little bit long still, but I saw you go sometime.
Yeah, I want to say it power them, man.
So that was the video. And don't surprise if you see Jamal and Owayne Media next on an interview. So, you know what I mean? Big up.